You mentioned, Keith, big week for vacations, and it looks like it's going to be a nice one.
Yeah. Judging by our parking lot here, when it's begun.
Yeah.
The people are enjoying
many
already.
departments.
But we're here.
That's right.
Many non-news departments. Yeah, and you talk about a week to come visit Maine and get a really good impression of it, which
The beautiful days.
may not be accurate over the course of the year, but it has
this week.
This week, yes, it has its moments. 80 for a high today, 79 in Wiscasset, and I think one of the things that I like about this week is it's warm. It gets a little hottish at times. But it's kind of right down the middle, right in the strike zone of when you think of Maine summer weather in a positive way, at least. Dew points right now are living about 50 to 55, so it's kind of an air mass where you might not notice it either way. It is worth noting that as we get into Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, it starts to get pretty sticky. But before then, our air mass is kind of in the middle here. And you'll see a few clouds have developed through the middle of the day. Look at them kind of bubble up with the daytime heating, and then as soon as we lose peak heating, the clouds go right back down. And the shower activity was less than modeled even, just a couple little sprinkles out there towards Sebago right on the north side of the lake there, and a sprinkle down into York County that I highly doubt is even hitting the ground. So the rest of today into tonight looks good. Temperatures drop down to the 50s, a couple of 40s out there too. Tomorrow is a lot like today, if anything, a lower chance of a shower with a mixture of sun and clouds in the afternoon. 80 to 85 should do it. Not much of an onshore flow factor, so coastal temperatures are similar to inland temperatures. Then we do it again on Wednesday. Nitpicky, maybe a few more clouds around here on Wednesday, but still 80 to 85 once again on Wednesday. Some showers come through, it looks like early Thursday morning. So on the 4th of July, early in the morning, looks like we get on this front pretty much offshore by, I'm going to say noon to be really safe, but it looks like it's a lot earlier than that at this point, especially over western Maine. It's probably 8 or 9 in the morning. After that, we're a mixture of sun and clouds and temperatures into the mid and even upper 80s. So I think the 4th of July afternoon is going to be just how you might want it. And I think our fireworks displays look good Thursday afternoon into Thursday night. I guess Thursday night. Even in Maine, we can't set fireworks off too much during the day. And then Friday, we look good with a mixture of sun and clouds. Only wet looking day is Saturday with some showers. Even that, the latest models have backed off and made them afternoon showers on Saturday instead of a whole day event. So we're doing really well here. Temperature-wise, we're above average mostly in the mid-80s many of these days, particularly away from the immediate coast. Coolest day Saturday with that shower chance. Might be pretty hot on the back end. If we get that front through on Saturday, we might be in the upper 80s to potentially low 90s on Sunday. So I guess I love all of this. I don't see too much negative here. Even that early shower on the 4th of July, I think if we can keep that timing, it's kind of ideal because most people don't start, there's some parades.
I don't think 5Ks first.
Yeah, but I don't think it's enough to be a problem for that. And when you think about the afternoon and into the evening being kind of the peak of that looks pretty good to me.
Great.
Very good news.
Thank you, Keith.